Come with me, amazing family. Let's make some yummy stew for the family. So in my saucepan, I'll go ahead and cook the hard chicken first. This is hard chicken and is usually very hard than any other chicken. So after that, I will introduce my turkey. So I'm cooking with hard chicken and turkey today. So I have to boil the hard chicken first and make sure it's cooked down before introducing the turkey, because the turkey is a bit softer than the hard chicken. So I'll cook it and introduce a little bit of water, then I will go ahead and prep my tomato base. Okay, so I have tomato, pepper, onion in this tomato mix. Okay, so I'll go ahead and blend it with my blender. All right, how you doing, my amazing family? I hope you are fine. And how is the week going? So I'll go ahead and check the chicken and the turkey, and I will remove the turkey from it and cook down the chicken a bit before taking it off the heat. And here I have to go ahead and fry it. So once I'm done frying it, I'll go ahead and prepare the stew. I just want to pan fry this protein. I don't want it to be that's cooked, because it's going to cook again in the stew. Okay, so how are you doing, my amazing family? I just want to use this very opportunity to celebrate everyone who subscribed to my channel, and to my returning subscribers. God bless you all. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for finding this channel worthy of following or worthy of subscribing to. I'm very, very grateful. So hola, I'm done with the protein. I'll go ahead and transfer the oil into the main cooking pot and introduce some oil to it. Okay, because this one will not be enough to fry. So I added enough oil and go ahead and fry my onion. So once the onion is fried, I will introduce my thyme and I will introduce my curry. Okay, I told you the reason for this, so that it can have deep flavor, and also for those that does not like spice in their food, this is actually the way to bury it inside, and you will not get to perceive the taste when you are eating it. Okay, so I've introduced my hard chicken, and now I introduce the turkey inside, and the stew is almost ready. So I will stir so that the protein and the stew base can combine together and all that. I will cover and allow to simmer for a while, and after 3 minutes I open again and stir to make sure that the down part of it is not burning. So when I'm done, I will stir, and voila, we are done with the stew. Okay, thank you very much for always being here. And if you want some stew, just say stew and I will send it to your location. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always being there. God bless you. And if you're coming across my page on my YouTube channel for the very first time, please do it to subscribe, and thank you. Bye.